Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on algebra. Okay, so for the primary school level, should a question or rather algebra appear in the word problems is usually very simple. And this question, even though it's expressed in terms like of algebra, is actually a P4 question. So let's take a look at this. Kristen had $G more than Shannon. When Shannon gave Kristen $20, Kristen would have 3 times as much money as Shannon. Part A. How much more money did Kristen have than Shannon in the end? Express your answer in terms of G in the simplest form. If G equal $50, how much money did Kristen and Shannon each have at first? So here, I would like to make use of the model to help us solve this question. So at first, we know that Kristen had $G more than Shannon. Okay, and for your learning, I'm going to duplicate this before model so that I am working on this after. Okay, working on this particular model to represent the after model. So we know that Shannon gave Kristen $20. Okay, so how do I draw this? So indicate 20. Remember when we do the comparison, draw a dotted line starting from Kristen, so that we're comparing Shannon and Kristen at the same time. So now Shannon $20, okay. Right, and of course the same corresponding portion as I've mentioned just now must also be 20. And if that's the case, so now I'm going to add out this change. Okay, so what is the change? This goes to Kristen. Right, and we know that this is the portion that is more. So how would I express it? Is actually $20 plus G plus 20. And we are asked to express our answer in the simplest form. So we have to add up the two like terms. It is $20 and $20. So it's G plus $40. Clear? And then we were told that in the end, Kristen have 3 times as much money as Shannon. So if Shannon would have 1 unit, Kristen would have 3 units. And Kristen would have a difference of 2 units. Or 2 units more than Shannon. So now that we know that in order to answer part B, G is now $50, we could substitute the value of G, $50, into this 2 units. So 2 units equal $50 plus $40, and 1 unit equal $45. Right. Then remember, all those that we have found is the after. So now that is the good thing of keeping the before model, as we can now see or compare what they had before and after. So in order to work out Shannon's before, we have to add $20 to 1 unit, and that will give us $65. And for Kristen, remember, we have to take away the $20 from her. So $20 take away from the 3 units, and that will give her $115 at first. So that's the answer. So remember, for algebra, and if they do appear in word problems, usually they are pretty straightforward. So think of a similar problem. What would you do if G is just a number? So the same exact train of thoughts and the same exact number sentence should guide you along as well. Okay, so that's it for today, and thank you.